Question: the place and importance of English as a second language in Pakistan. Welcome back from Mentor English, respected audience, dear viewers, dear watchers, dear subscribers. Today, we are gonna particularly talk about a special question which is being discussed in CSS syllabus, in B.Ed syllabus, and in BS linguistics syllabus. Or applied linguistics syllabus. So let's fetch out the answer. Let's do it. The place question: the place and importance of English as a second language in Pakistan. Answer. Intro: the national and foreign languages. The language may be divided into two categories: national and foreign. Every civilized nation has got a language which is the expression of its thought and culture, its national life, its customs and manners, and the whole range of its social pattern. It's the vehicle of thought in official, administrative, and educational sphere educational spheres, and helps the nation in carrying out its manifold activities. This is known as the national language of the country. In some countries, there arises the need of a foreign language for establishing communication with the other nations of the world, and for making access to the advancement of knowledge in physical and social sciences. This foreign language is incorporated in the educational curricula of the country as the second language. Complex. Let's add some discussion or point to understand the idea. Complex position in Pakistan. In Pakistan, Urdu has been officially declared as the national language of country. English is taught as a second language in our schools and colleges. However, the position assigned to English language in our curricula is not true for most of our students whose mother tongue is not Urdu. In Pakistan, there are a number of regional languages such as Pashto, Punjabi, Saraiki, Baluchi, and Sindhi, etc., which are quite different from the national language Urdu. A child learns to speak the mother tongue at home, but he has to learn Urdu at the primary stage. Then he is also expected to learn Arabic, which is the language of the Holy Quran. Pardon me. It is the source of his religious knowledge and fulfill his spiritual needs. Among this pattern of language learning enters English, which is entirely a different kind of language. Therefore, it is obvious that the learning and teaching of English presents a number of difficulties for the pupils as well as for the teachers. This is so because English differs not only in syntax, structures, and idiom from all the Pakistani languages, but it has also a different mode of thought and expressions. Next point, 4.3, the privileged position of English. The English language occupies a very important place in our educational curricula. During the British rule in the Indo-Pak subcontinent, it was the language of the rulers, the chief medium of instruction, and language of the offices and courts. When the British left this country, a reaction took us to other extreme, and we started getting rid of English language in many aspects of educational and social fields. Also, it still remains a compulsory subject in the public examination up to degree level. Yet a very high percentage of failure in this subject has led to a frequent protest from the public against the teaching of English as a compulsory subject. Apart from sentimental consideration, either consideration either in favor or against English. The fact remains that the study of English is indispensable for any enlightened Pakistani young man who wants to reap the full benefits of practical life. In fact, English still retains a privileged position in Pakistan for the following reasons. Next important point, medium of international communication. Today, English is considered as the most important and widely spoken language in the world, according to an estimate. More than half the world directly make us of English. Rapid means of transportation have conquered time and space, with the result that it takes very little time to reach various parts of the world. In the absence of an effective medium of global communication, the tourists and travelers themselves in great difficulty before some international medium of communication is evolved. English serves the purpose best. The next important point, store of knowledge. The knowledge has been rapidly increasing in the present age due to the work of scholars and scientists all over the world. Most of them present the results. Most of them present the results of their research in English. Fresh knowledge in every field of life is constantly appearing in books and journals published in English language. English has also a great literature which is continuously expanding in quantity and quality. Besides, all the great books of the world have been translated into English. To be able to read these books is a valuable experience. It is also language of internet, which is store of knowledge. Language of higher education. English is the language of higher education in Pakistan and for the Pakistani students abroad. It is still the medium of instruction for the scientific and technical subjects, for professions like medicine, engineering, and agriculture, and in all branches of higher scientific works. Knowledge of the English language is very essential. Store of standard terminology. The next point, the standard terminology in all sciences and technology is available in English. If we translate them into the national language, new words will have to be coined which are not in actual use in the language and do not serve the purpose in the scientific world. The great scientific advance in the modern age is the result of a joint effort by all nations of the world. We cannot effectively participate in this teamwork unless we learn and use the standard terminology of physical and social sciences. Language of commerce and industry. The international commerce and trade is vital for the survival of our nation. The industrialist countries import raw materials for the factories and export their finished products to other countries. In both cases, exchange of commercial information is essential. Industry in Pakistan can also benefit from the use of the latest methods of production and sale, which are available in English language. Without the knowledge of English language, it is almost impossible to take an effective part in the international commerce market. Next point, language of diplomacy. English is used by our diplomats in the foreign countries or delegates to various international conferences, conventions. One of the official languages of the United Nations and its various organs and bodies. Without sound command of English language, we cannot effectively represent our country as at international forums. Means of keeping peace and modern developments. The knowledge of English necessary for keeping peace with the latest development in technical professions. Members of these professions must acquaint themselves with the modern development in their respective fields in order to increase their professional abilities. For instance, doctors, engineers, and teachers have to remain in constant touch with the findings of the latest research carried out in their professions all over the world. They also contribute to the world knowledge by getting the result of their study and research published in the English language. Important means of promotion, international understanding. The learning of foreign languages is one of the most important means of promoting international understandings and cooperation. One of the observation made at a UNESCO seminar was the study of one or more modern languages in addition to that of the mother tongue must find a place in any educational system aiming to preserve and develop the highest power of human mind and spirit. Dr. West also puts forth a similar idea. Many subjects are taught in the school not merely because they are useful to the individual, but because they are desirable for the well-being of mankind. Foreign language are such a subject. International literacy promotes international understandings and goodwill. To understand to understand a nation, we must appreciate their ideals, and these are best expression by the nation's greatest men. These great men, living and dead, are met at their best in the nation's literature. International good understanding can best be promoted by teaching the children of the world to reach each other's language. Market value of English. That's very important in this contest, or in this thesis, or in this question. A sound knowledge pardon me, a sound knowledge of English still open up prospects of employment at home and abroad. It has thus market value. Young people proficient in English language fare well in various competitive examination for prestigious service of the country, like the district management, foreign services, foreign service, police, customs, magistry, etc. Those who wish to proceed abroad for employment or education have first to qualify. Certain English language proficiency tests conducted by some foreign countries. For those reasons, English medium schools are more popular than ordinary schools. This is evident from the number of English medium private schools that have sprung up like mushrooms in the country in recent years, and a great rush for admissions to them. Conclusion. That is very much important in this case, for your assignment and for your thesis, or for your answer of the question. When a language becomes the vehicle of so much thought and activity in a country, it does not remain entirely a foreign language, and it assumes a great importance in the educational curricula. As a subject of study, it is taught as a compulsory language from class 1 to BA, BSc, or BS English level. However, emphasizes should be on this functional aspect rather than on literature aspect for those who wish to pursue postgraduate studies in English language and literature as a medium of instruction. English should be gradually by the national replaced by the national language. It should be done after careful planning and preparation in order to prevent the decline in academic standard, particularly at the university level, where the student need to study wide range of material in their respective subjects. So it was the basic and very much important. Here is the summary, and we will discuss it in a particular another lecture. So we have discussed in detail that what you need as an answer for this particular question, and if you need this answer in particular Urdu medium, so must subscribe our Urdu channel, Mentor Urdu, Murshid Urdu, Professor M. Raza. And if you want to search all this topic according to classical Islamic sciences or for madrasas, then must subscribe our channel Jame Darulum Shaykhul Islam. So let me go now, and before going I would like to request you that must subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.